Hello everyone, I am Raut sir. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the whole English workshop, margin questions and warming up activities from 10th class unit number 3.4. Let's march. So, firstly we are going to learn the margin questions. Let us start. Question number 1. What does the speaker feel honored to recite? The speaker feel honored to recite a mantra from the ancient texts of wisdom Vedas. How does the speaker describe his journey from India to Norway? The journey of the writer, that is India to Norway, is a connect between the centers of global peace and brotherhood, ancient and modern. What terrible thing was the Sudanese child forced to do? The Sudanese child was forced to kill friends and family. What does Satyarthi refuse to accept? He refused to accept that the world is so poor. All the laws and constitution, police and judges are unable to protect our children. The shackles of slavery can never be stronger than the quest for freedom. Then next question. What is the only aim in life for Kailash Satyarthi? Answer. His aim in life is that every child is free to be a child. What are the signs of progress that the speaker mentions? Answer. We have reduced the number of child labors by a third. We have reduced child mortality and malnutrition. We have prevented millions of child deaths. Now you can take the screenshot. Okay. The next question. What social role are the three daughters playing? They are rising up and choosing peace over violence, tolerance over extremism, and courage over fear. What lesson does the story of the lion and the tiny bird teach us? According to me, the story of the lion and the tiny bird teaches us not to belittle other individuals who at least do something and make an effort. What did millions of individuals demand 18 years ago? They demanded a new international law for the abolition of waste from a child labor. What problems do the poor children face? They harvest cocoa, yet they have never tasted chocolate. They are dying of Ebola. Ebola, that means virus. They are kidnapped and held hostage. They teach football, yet they never play with it. Why does the 8-year-old girl's question shake my Mr. Satyarthi? 8-year-old girl's question, why did you not come earlier, itself implies that the girl was really suffering a lot. Even though we are grown up, we have failed to rescue number of small girls from forced labor. What does Satyarthi challenge? He challenged the passivity and pessimism surrounding our children, culture of science, culture of passivity, and culture of neutrality. What matters according to Satyarthi? Every single minute, every single child, and every single childhood matters according to Satyarthi. What was Mr. Satyarthi visions as a child? You should have vision for today, not tomorrow. Satyarthi vision of tomorrow is to say that cobbler's boy sitting with him in his classroom. What was the response of the boy's father? What was the Satyarthi's reactions to it? That he had never thought about it and they were born to work His answer made Satyarthi angry and it still makes him angry. What is your vision tomorrow? My vision of tomorrow is empower the people with a vision to have the confidence and ability to achieve their dreams. If help them to gain their confidence, they will work hard to achieve their goal. Ultimately, they will help the nations to prosper. What rights should every child have in our times? Life, freedom, equality, peace, safety, freedom, health, education, and dignity. What does Mr. Satyarthi request the listeners to do? He requests the listeners to put their hands close to their heart, close their eyes, and feel the child inside them. According to Mr. Satyarthi, who are calling on us, Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, and Martin Luther King are calling on us. Now you can take the screenshot. Okay, warming up activities. That means chit chat activities. Discuss in your groups. What difference do you notice in the two images? According to me, the boy in the first picture is working and the boy in the second picture is going on school on his bicycle. Which of the two situations should change? The situations in the first picture should change. How and when can the situation be changed? The boy in the first picture should be sent to school. Somebody should convince his parents that it is not his right age to work. He should go to school at this age. Then the situation can change. Next question. How can you as a student contribute and help make a difference to the needy children? As a student, I will help the needy children to go to school and take education. If possible, I will try to give them monetary help to take education. I will also convince their parents to understand the importance of education. Then, first question A. A good, well organized speech contains the following characteristics and tips. A speech should be well planned. The language used should be suitable to the audience. It should have the right duration. It should be supported with good examples, episodes, or visual aids where possible. You can take the screenshot now. Okay. Refer on page 26 of the course book for reference to the steps to be followed in the speech and do the activity given below. Read the expressions given below on course book page number 105 and insert them in the proper boxes. तर इथे मी ग्रीटिंग आणि सॅल्युटेशन्स ते कसं लिहिलेलं आहे पहा. त्याच्यानंतर इंट्रोडक्शन आहे आणि त्याच्यानंतर बॉडी ऑफ द स्पीच आहे आणि कन्क्लुजन, म्हणजे इथे कॉलम केलेले आहेत दोन. तर इथे पहिला कॉलम आहे ग्रीटिंग आणि सॅल्युटेशन्स, तो मी वाचतो. गुड मॉर्निंग वन अँड ऑल प्रेझेंट टुडे. सेकंड, ऑनररी चीफ गेस्ट, इमिनंट डिग्निटरीज, रिस्पेक्टेड मॅनेजमेंट्स अँड स्टाफ, स्टुडंट, फ्रेंड्स. आता इंट्रोडक्शन. आता तुम्ही गुड मॉर्निंगचेच पुढे पहिलं इंट्रोडक्शन लिहायचं आहे. इफ वी थिंक अबाउट द सिच्युएशन अराउंड अस, नोटिस दॅट. सेकंड, let me explain this to you. Third, today I would like to put forth my views on. And last, imagine what will happen after 10 years. आणि आता बॉडी ऑफ द स्पीच त्यातलं पहिलं पहा. The renowned personality XYZ says, the research report says that I don't understand why we are so negative about this issue. I would like to share with you an example from my own experience. आणि आता कन्क्लुजन, म्हणजे तुम्ही प्रत्येकच्या एकाच्या पुढे लगेच कन्क्लुजन 1 लिहा, 2च्या पुढे कन्क्लुजन 2 लिहा. Think again and again and then move forward. I would to express my gratitude towards the organizers of the functions to giving me the opportunity. You can take the screenshot now. Okay, then now we are going to learn the English workshop. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, नेम द फॉलोइंग. म्हणजे इथे तुम्हाला फक्त नाव लिहायला सांगितलेलं आहे की द पर्सन टू होम कैलास सत्यार्थी गिव्स द हायेस्ट क्रेडिट ऑफ हिज ऑनर. कालू कुमार, धुमदास अँड आदर्श किशोर फ्रॉम इंडिया अँड इकबाल मशीह फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान. नेक्स्ट, द ग्रेटेस्ट पर्सनॅलिटीज फ्रॉम द लँड ऑफ बुद्धा. लॉर्ड बुद्धा, गुरु नानक अँड महात्मा गांधी. थर्ड, the daughters of Kailash Satyarthi mentioned in his speech, Malala, Kainat and Sajia. Next, the foreign activity visits of equal rights mentioned in the speech, Nelson Mandela and Martin Luther King. Second question, mention the social issues highlighted by Kailash Satyarthi in his speech. One social issue is given for you. म्हणजे एक्झाम्पल म्हणून त्यांनी एक दिलेलं आहे, राहिलेले आपल्याला पूर्ण करायचे आहेत. पहिला आहे चाइल्ड लेबर, स्लायवरी, चाइल्ड मॅरेज, सेक्शुअल अब्यूज, इलिटरेसी. अँड देन यू कॅन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट नाव. ओके, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग डायग्रॅम्स चार्ट. तर इथे तुम्हाला डायग्रॅम दिले आहे आणि ते पूर्ण करायला सांगितलेत. म्हणजेच परीक्षेमध्ये तुम्हाला पॅसेजमध्ये कॉम्प्लेक्स क्वेश्चन बी यामध्ये हा प्रश्न विचारला जातो. तर पहिलं सांगितलं आहे की द एम इन लाईफ ऑफ कैलास सत्यार्थी इज दॅट एव्हरी चाइल्ड इज फ्री. पुढे जर तुम्हाला शक्य झालं तर लिहून घ्या. टू बी चाइल्ड, टू ग्रो अँड डेव्हलप, टू ईट, स्लीप अँड सी डेलाईट, टू लाफ अँड क्राय, टू प्ले अँड लर्न, to go to school, and last आहे to dream. क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ, कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग वेब चार्ट. तर इथे वेब चार्ट दिलेला आहे. अँड अपील ऑफ कैलास सत्यार्थी. फर्स्ट ह्याच्यामध्ये पहा, लेट अस मार्च फ्रॉम इग्नोरन्स टू अवेकिंग, लेट अस मार्च फ्रॉम डार्कनेस टू लाईट, लेट अस मार्च फ्रॉम मोरॅलिटी टू डिव्हिनिटी, लेट अस ड्रॅमॅटाइज नॉलेज, लेट अस ग्लोबलाइज कंपॅशन्स. आणि आता क्वेश्चन नंबर फिफ्थ, फाइंड आउट द डिस्क्रायबिंग वर्ड्स यूज फॉर द फॉलोइंग नाउन्स अँड मेक युअर ओन सेंटेन्स बाय युजिंग एनी 3 कम्बायनेशन्स. म्हणजे इथे तुम्हाला नाउन्स डिस्क्रायबिंग वर्ड्स लिहायला सांगितलेत आणि कोणतेही 3 वाक्य त्या शब्दांच्या आधारे बनवायचे आहेत. पहिलं पहा, सुप्रीम सॅक्रिफाईस. त्याच्यानंतर ब्युटिफुल फेसेस अँड एक्स्ट्रीमिस्ट मिलिटिया, ग्रेट चॅलेंज, रॅपिड ग्लोबलायझेशन आणि नंतर आहे इंटर गव्हर्नमेंटल एजन्सीज. आणि आता 3 वाक्य याच्यामधून आपल्याला बनवायला सांगितली. फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स पहा, वी शुड नेवर फॉरगेट द सुप्रीम सॅक्रिफाईस. सेकंड, एक्स्ट्रीमिस्ट मिलिटिया इज अन ॲक्टिव्ह फोर्स फाउंड इन सुदान. नेक्स्ट, due to rapid globalization, we have been facing number of problems. And then question number 6, choose the correct option and write in front of the given words. म्हणजे तुम्हाला इथे पर्याय दिलेले आहेत त्यापैकी लिहायचं आहे. डिव्हिनिटी म्हणजेच गोडलीनेस, एक्स्ट्रीमिस्ट मिलिटंट, culminate rise to a peak. And then now you can take the screenshot. Okay, question number 7, what will you do in the following situation. म्हणजे या अशा परिस्थितीमध्ये तुम्ही काय करू शकणार. if you see a child working in restaurant, answer, I will lodge a complaint against the owner under a Child Labor Act 1986. If you find a child working on a construction site, I will lodge a complaint on the nearby police station and convince them to send him to a nearby school. If you find a child working on a brickwork site, answer, I will tell his parents not to do so, instead to send him to a school nearby. If you come across a beggar child, I will tell the child it is not good to beg. I will also tell him the importance of schooling and help him to go to school. Then question B. Write any two efforts that you can make to enroll deprived children out of school children into a schools once is given for you. म्हणजे जे शालाबाह्य विद्यार्थी आहेत त्यांच्यासाठी तुम्ही काय करू शकता. एक उदाहरण म्हणून त्यांनी दिलेलं आहे. आय विल परस्यूड पॅरेंट्स ऑफ सच चिल्ड्रन टू सेंड देम टू स्कूल. नेक्स्ट, I will tell them the importance of education in their life. I will also tell them about the right of children to free and compulsory education. I will help them to take admission in school nearby. I shall try to help them to complete their homework. And question number 8. Today it is time for every child to have a right to education, equality, peace, safety, freedom, health and education, dignity and life. Now you can take the screenshot. Okay, question number 9. Make a list of Indian Nobel laureates and their fields of work and year. Name, field and year तुम्हाला लिहायला सांगितलेत. पहा, रवींद्रनाथ टागोर लिटरेचर 1913, C.V. रामन फिजिक्स 1930, मदर टेरेसा पीस 1979, सुब्रमण्यम चंद्रशेखर फिजिक्स 1983, अमृता सिंह इकोनॉमिक्स 1998, कैलास सत्यार्थी पीस 2014. Next question. Make a list of prestigious award in India. Civilian awards, highest gallantry awards. भारत रत्न, परमवीर चक्र, पद्म विभूषण, महावीर चक्र, पद्मभूषण, वीर चक्र, पद्मश्री, अशोक चक्र. Then now question number 11. Make meaningful sentences by using the following phrases. म्हणजे वाक्यप्रचाराचा उपयोग करून तुम्हाला वाक्य बनवायला सांगितलेली आहेत. Most of people spend a lot of time in the pursuit of money. Don't be afraid of saying what you sincerely think. His wife finally pursued him to give up smoking. Question 12. Write minimum 5 hidden words of more than 4 letters from intergovernmental. तर हा तुम्हाला लँग्वेज स्टडीमध्ये क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो 2 मार्कासाठी. तर एक शब्द दिला जातो, त्यातून 3 लेटर्स किंवा 4 लेटर्सचा शब्द बनवायला सांगितले जातात. आन्सर, इंटरनल, गव्हर्नमेंट, टॉर्मेंट, टर्म, गव्हर्नमेंटल. नाव यू कॅन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. Imagine your school invites Malala to preside over celebrations of Children's Day. Draft a welcome speech for this noble young girl. Gather her biodata from the internet. Answer. Good morning one and all. Today's honorable chairperson, respected principal, all my teachers, our today's guest Malala Didi, and all my dear friends. We have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. On these auspicious occasions, I would like to limit my few words on the Children's Day. Children are the integral part of the society and home as well as the future of the country. We cannot ignore their involvement and contributions in the life of parents, teachers, and other related people all through the life. Children are blessed by God and they conquer our hearts with their beautiful eyes, innocence, activities and smiles. Life becomes very boring and upset without them. This day is celebrated every year to pay tribute to all the children all over the world. In India, it is celebrated on 14th November on the birth anniversary of the legendary freedom fighter and the first Prime Minister of the independent India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Then, the celebration of this day reminds us to renew our commitment towards children's welfare, including their health, care, and education. It is an occasion to appreciate the qualities of childhood. Children are considered as building blocks of the strong nation. They have the capabilities to change the nations positively. They are the responsible citizens of tomorrow. The development of the country lies in their hand. Children's Day celebration also remind us about their rights. Now you can take the screenshot. ओके, इथे दुसऱ्या पॅरेग्राफमध्ये मी पूर्ण वाचत नाही आहे, त्यातला थोडासा भाग वाचतो. मलालाज बायोडाटा. नेम मलाला युसुफजई. फादर्स नेम जवाद्दीन युसुफजई. मदर्स नेम तरपकल युसुफजई. डेट ऑफ बर्थ 12 जुलाई 1997. रिलीजियन सुन्नी इस्लाम. And now question number 14. Use the same words as a noun and a verb to make meaningful sentences. Answer. Credit noun. The bank refused to extend their credit. आणि आता नाउन क्रेडिट हा शब्द वर्ब म्हणून आपण कसा वाक्यात तयार करणार. सी हॅज बीन रॉंगली क्रेडिटेड ॲज द ऑथर. आणि दुसरा शब्द आहे स्टिच. आता ह्याचा नाउन म्हणून उपयोग पहा. द वाउंड निडेड 8 टीचेस. Okay, if you understand and like this video, then press like button. Any suggestions, difficulties, comment in comment box. Share this video with everyone. Make sure you have subscribed the channel and press bell icon to get notification of the next videos. Thank you.